Alright guys, moving forward we're going to go ahead and put the LEDs into the fish. Just to make this step easier, pull out the battery tray and the zip ties just so that they don't get in your way. We went ahead and we did one side for us already. I went ahead and right in between these carbon spars, you'll go ahead and mark it, and then mark it in the middle on the end, just with a 12-inch straight edge. We'll go ahead and do that for us here. All the way down. Now the LEDs are going to be a bit wider than the Sharpie, so you will need to account for that. And you will also need a brand new razor blade. The EPP really dulls the blades. If it is a used blade, it will not cut as well. Also, when you're cutting, if you are cutting straight down like this, it will not cut as well as if you cut on an angle. So just take your knife, account for the width, and go ahead and cut all the way down. Flip it around, cut the other side. As you can see, this is not an exact process, but as long as you make a deep enough cut, the EPP will come out relatively easy. Clean up the end here. And since I already have the other one cut, we'll just go ahead and we'll do a spot fit here. So we'll throw the motor back. I cut that wide enough so the light fits in there. Down to the edge of the wingtip. This wingtip. As you can see, I didn't go far enough there, so I'm just going to take my knife, cut out another 1/4 inch. Get him out of the way. So you can see now the lights fit in there. Alright, so moving forward, we're going to go ahead and put the LEDs in here now. So get everything all lined up. Start putting the LEDs in. And as you do it, kind of go ahead and bend just a little bit. Don't break it. Just open it up a little bit, push down, and when you let it go, it'll kind of hold it in place. Do that all the way down the wingtip. And then make sure you stop at the end. You don't want the light to wrap around the end. That's why you have this extra lead here. That way you can clear it and make it to the wingtip. Make sure this is in nice and good. I have some pins here, some spots that stick up. Just go ahead and diagonal pin it because we're going to use our Zap-A-Dap to glue it down. So I'll press down there. Hold him down. And then up here in the front, pin him down. Everything looks good, so we're going to go ahead and take our Zap Goo, relatively cheap and it does the job. Spread some on, and then we're going to come back with our finger and just kind of work it in. Alright, so we went ahead and put the Zap-A-Dap all the way down. Wipe off our tip there. Put the cap on. We might need some more. And just come back with your finger and make sure you work it all the way in there and get all the edges. Leave those pins in there, that way you can keep everything down. You can take those out when you're finished, and then just go ahead and do the other side.